Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round of me trying to improve myself in a beautiful art of programming. Not so beautiful lately because I'm stuck. The AOP, well, not really stuck. I switched to another tutorial. So, you know how it goes. Each round consists of 5 minutes of typing, 30 minutes of going through tutorial, building an application, whatever. Let's get into it. Resizable. What? I think that's typo. Typo. Maybe sizable is something like. Does it even exist? Is it a word? Last pointer? Scala had pointers? No way. Come on. Alright, so what is the result? The result is 4% and 40, which is a very nice score for me. 4% and 40. Oh, come on, this is bad. You know, like, look at that. 56, and now it says 55. Oh, I know. But it might be because I'm calculating the duration, like to the exact, right? It is not like I take a calendar day. I calculate like 24 hours from this moment to the previous one to the nanosecond, and Yeah, so it will be skewed slightly. Do I want to like change it? Do I want to change it? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the benefit wouldn't be as big. Yeah, but this shouldn't change. The all time takes all of it, right? So this should be the same all the time. There's a bug. There's a bug in there somewhere. Okay, so this concludes our typing session, and we can continue in the beautiful land of Spring. So here I'm doing the configuration in XML, which I don't like, but it is what it is. And we need just one bean, but for the logging to be ineffective, I should get the other thing too, right? But okay, so let's go to the test AOP. We will create a new class path XML context. It was how it was called, test application context. Okay, application context .xml. We'll extract that to a variable. It will be just context, like so. And then we will get employee by ID, and that should be it. Okay, so hold on, we will get it, and then okay, yeah. So context dot get bean, and we want employee manager dot class. This is what we want. We will cast it to employee manager, like so, and this will be manager, like so. This is how it is, and we will call on the method, right? So manager dot get employee by ID passed in one, beautiful, like so, and we'll try to run it and see how it goes. See, the stomach doesn't hurt that much anymore. Okay. What the fuck is this? Oh yeah, because of, okay. That employee manager called, and our thingy doesn't work, so we probably need to create an instance, right? Bean ID will be what is it? This guy. Aspect, okay. Aspect class is com.pgp.source. This guy. That should be it. If I rerun it now, still doesn't do shit. Okay, so here in this tutorial we are missing how the XML is configured, how the container is configured. Well, that is okay. Oh, hold on, this is like introduction. Oh, and he has here like multiple examples, so I should be creating maybe the... Oh, okay, so this is better than I thought. Here's like the basic principle. Okay, so I started with the XML configuration. So let's see the XML configuration. Come on, dude. Here we go. So yeah, you see that? I already hate that. I don't like this. I don't like the XML configuration at all. I don't like it. No. Okay, so I will have a look into annotation examples. Huh? So here are the dependencies. Employee DTO. Oh, here we go. So he even created the employee DTO in here. So looks like we have everything over here. Yep. Yep. You know what? I will. What I will. We'll do this. Fortunately, OP terminology is not very intuitive, so I'll start with creating an example application. Oh, wow, nice. How does it go? Like, they speak at you Japanese and you reply in French? that would be really funny. Hi, bonjour. どうもありがとうございました。Merci beaucoup. Je ne me plais. Well, I can. And I do from time to time. It's kind of usual. Yes, that happens. Like in Prague, that happens. Well, especially with Slovakian people in here. You know, we were like one country, right? A few years ago. Well, a few decades ago. But it is normal that you know, like when Czech meets a Slovak person, the Slovak person speaks Slovakian and the Czech person speaks Czech, like in Star Wars, you know, like he does, and you say like, oh, nice to see you too. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Oh well, that depends, really. Yeah, so that's normal in here. Yeah, they are similar. But not so much. Well, for example, I wasn't born like soon enough to like get the full blown like experience of two countries being together, right? So I came to Prague to do my university studies, and I couldn't understand them. And they kind of expect me to understand them, right? They were speaking Slovakian. And I was like, what? And it was really frustrating for both sides, really. So it's not like given that if you learn Czech, you suddenly know Slovakian. No, that's not true. They fall into like same group of like languages. So it is much more easier to understand that than, let's say, Chinese, right? But still, they are different languages. One example for all. You know, like it is the same similarity like from Czech to Polish, right? And vice versa. And sometimes you use the same words, but they mean something else, which make ups for like good stories. You know, like one of my friend was in Poland, or you know, and suddenly like one of the like older guys like turned to him and told him like, would you please help me fuck my daughter? And he's, what? And yeah, could you help me fuck my daughter? And he went completely red, right? And then he goes like, you're Czech, right? And he goes, Ano, which means like yes in Czech. And then he started to laugh because like he was telling him in Polish that one sentence means search daughter, szukat ceru, right? But szukat ceru in in Czech language means to fuck the daughter. Yeah. So you have these nice misunderstandings. And there are more. Yeah. So if you happen to understand a sentence from a different language, it does not mean that you understand the sentence from from different language. Yes. Yes. That was funny. The first time I heard the story, I was laughing so hard. Okay, I will create a new project for this, I guess. Or I could... Yeah. We will train ourselves to create projects. Because... new project... Pure Maven. Pure Maven! What was that? What the fuck? Maybe I don't know. Okay, so we are creating that, and it is use ILP aspect.j example annotation. Okay, so this will be spring ILP example annotation fig like so. Yes. This window, yes, please. That background is really nice. Background is really nice. I like it. I really like it. It's pretty neat. Yeah. It's pretty neat. Thank you, Swarm. I like it so much that I will even gamble a little bit. Oh, come on, this. I will try to pop it out a little bit. Come on, unfreeze. Huh. I'll see if that. Maybe I will go back a bit. It's okay. Yeah, I will dial it back a little bit. Come on, why everything freezes on me today? I don't know. I don't know. It's beautiful. So we will have dependencies in here, and we will paste the, oh come on, paste those things in here. Oh come on. Is it me? Oh fuck. Is it cheating that I don't, that was Control Shift O, here we go. Oh, that's still like unbelievable to me. You know, like I started, you know, like now have like stable like 3-5 viewers at the time at the stream. That's just unbelievable. And it's awesome, you know, like I really like to talk to people and so on. I'm kind of honored, you know, that like someone spends the time with me. It's pretty nice. Okay, so we did this. Now the next step would be to create a DTO. And he gets getters and setters. Yeah, I will not do getters and setters. What I will do is I will add a dependency. And it will be Lombok. Yep, that's exactly what I want. And now we will create the DTO. So in source main, here should be package com.pgp, and that will be employee DTO. DTO, here we go. What fields? Integer ID, string first name, string last name, private, integer age, private string first name, private string last name, and we will do getters and setters, right? Get Control Shift O to load the Maven dependencies, and after that we will be able to do that, which is getter and setter. Here we go. Okay, so we have a getters and setters in here. Now we have the employee manager. You know, like looking at this page, I kind of thinking, you know, I should do something similar to like what he did, you know, like to store like my knowledge somewhere. But maybe I could do it just by saving. Yeah, I could just save those projects on GitHub and then just look at them. Oh well. So employee manager, huh? So what is it? Is get employee by ID, get all employee that returns array list, create employee, let's just print out dummy, delete dummy, update also dummy thing. So I'll create that, and the body of it I will just steal. I don't feel like writing this down, so copy, and here we will create we will create that employee manager, employee manager, like so. We have some imports to take care of. Imports in the util ones and the array list. It's normal array list. And yeah, that's that. Component annotation. Okay. Employee component. Here we go. Yes, please. Here it is. Okay, cool. Which will record which method got executed. I kind of feel that I should learn more about like components and service and so on. Employee crude aspect. Why? What? Yeah, I have to have the aspect annotation. Now it might be satisfied. Import. Oh, I have to import all of those. Control-Alt-O doesn't do it? No. Okay, so this, Alt-Enter, import, Alt-Enter. Part, okay, good. So we have that. They configure application context even with XML. That's interesting. Hold on, is this annotation and still I have an XML. Okay, I guess you cannot get rid of it entirely. Okay. Application context XML. I don't like having that. Oh my god. Okay. XML file. It will be this guy. Application context. Here we go. And inside of here, I hope I put it into the right thing. Hey, hey, the ninjas cannot touch you, right? Oh, welcome to the family. Oh, that's kind of huge. That was much bigger picture than I thought it would be. Welcome, thank you for the follow. There's no savior. Yeah. That's the bad thing. AOP. Why a red? Why a red? Why are you red? Okay. That doesn't look good. Spec J out. Okay, and suddenly it like goes. Okay, so what the freak happened? How do you do undo in? Okay, yeah, so it did put in something aspect J proxy, and over here it did add that in here. The AOP. Okay, cool. Cool story, bro. Cool story. That is a self-closing thingy, I believe. Yep, and then we will say where to scan. Yeah, I should keep those with like how to do in Java and so on to be consistent with, well, okay. Dum, dum, dum. So you're the first time guy on fire. You are first time here, right? I don't remember seeing you here. I think I'm still like really small streamer, so I think I would remember. Component scan, base package, here we go. com.pgb. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there's nothing more. Alright. There's nothing else. Okay. And then we just create the bin in here. What the fuck? I would like the configuration class, like the Java way. I guess not today. I guess not today. Okay. Bin ID logging aspect class is com.pgb. It's not here yet. Employee group. Oh, I did. Oh, it's there already. All right. The aspects. Okay. Self-closing thing. So we do have that. That's the AOP configuration and other stuff. Okay, so this is the test thingy. And we just try to call it, and hopefully this will work. Hopefully. Okay, so we go here. I'll create a test AOP class where we will, well, test all polycyclic point method, and we will get the why do you call this like annotation configuration? Annotation config when you are using like, oh, so annotation in here. Okay. Okay, so we'll create the new class path XML application context, that is a application context.xml, extract it to a context like so. Then we will ask for the instance, so we will not context. I'll typo rename to context. Here we go. And here we will ask for the bean. So we say context.get bean, and we want employee manager. Yeah, we want employee manager. Right, that's what we... Oh, hold on. Employee manager class. But we did not specify it in here, right? That is weird. That is weird. I would suppose that it will like say fuck you to me and don't run at all. So let's see. Employee manager dot class. I will cast it to employee manager, of course, and extract it to a variable. Manager is a very nice name, and we will call on the manager. We will call, what do we call? Create employee, get employee, and create. Okay, so get employee, I'll say 1. Okay, like so, and manager dot create employee, and we will put in there what? New employee DTO. New employee DTO, like so. Why are you cannot be applied to int? Oh, get all employee. I want just get employee. It's not there. Get employee by ID. Okay. All right. Employee by ID. Here we go. So now I try to run it. What do we have? Okay, so something happened. Warnings. Okay, no one cares. It is log before. Log after, log before. After, so this is like get employee by ID. The get employee by ID is called twice. Why? And how come I was able to create that thing? Okay, so here, okay, so this is on the get employee by ID, and this is like on like high level. Okay, I see it. This is the get employee ID. Okay. The output set get employee by ID, get employee create, okay. I've seen this picture so many times now. I just think he puts code first and then he explains. Usually people are doing it the other way around. Okay, so to create an aspect, I just say aspect. Okay, cool. And then for the, I need to register it into the context. So this registering I could probably do in the configuration class too instead of XML. But what I don't know how to do is this. Well, this one I think I know how to do. But the base pack, oh, maybe I didn't have the base package specified. That would be it. The previous thing, you know, previous tutorial. Okay, so well, this concludes this round number 2. The timer says we are done. Done is better than perfect, and we can move on.